Hello, thank you for joining us today. My name is Whitney Warren, and I have Jacob Howard here, a sophomore at Joplin High School. We're just going to chat about some things that he sees in his future here at the high school and then after high school. So Jacob, hi, how are you?
I'm great.
Good. And, you know, we met in regards to your passion for computer technology and where that's going to take you hopefully after high school. And so please tell me what you're involved in currently and what kind of passions you have for computers.
Well, currently clubs, like in school, I'm on and off in TSA because rides and whatnot, but I'm in DECA and considering joining FBLA. My passions is just pretty much information science, like overall. So anything like regarding hardware, mostly software though. So.
Okay. And you already have plans of where you're going to go after high school with computers in the technology department. And so let me know what's going on there.
Well, straight out of high school, I plan to apply at MIT. And if that doesn't work out or like they don't see my application and don't like it or whatever, I plan to go to a technology institute, probably somewhere in Missouri. So I'm not quite sure which one yet. I haven't decided. But after those 2.5 years, I'm going to reapply at MIT. And if that doesn't work out, I'll probably just stay at that technology institute. But I plan to get my major in software engineering and my minor in computer information science.
Wow. And where did this passion start? How did you find out this is something you love and you're great at?
Well, it's a hard one. I remember in school, people would want to play games and stuff, and they couldn't because they were blocked. So I was just like, well, I want to try this. So I got a hold of Weebly, and I was just okay, I'll just create a website. And then I started making game websites for people. And I was just I don't really like the layout of this. So I was just let me make this look nicer. So I learned to program a slight bit of it, and then I took that and learned that, and then I got into the hardware of computers 2 years ago roughly, and I just don't know, I just always liked technology.
Great. And have you been able to do anything outside of school where you've been able to grow that experience?
There's a few occasions where my friends and I get together and do a big project that we want, we put all this ideas in and we fuel it with all of this greatness, and then stuff happens, we can't pay for advertisement or servers or something but there was a few things we've done, I'm on and off working on a game, but that's not really happening right now because of school. But yeah, we've done quite a few projects, so nothing's got quite big yet.
Okay.
So.
And now you had told me about an opportunity you had to work on with another professional in the area in regards to your dad knowing an individual who you helped assist in computer repair.
Oh yeah, yeah. It was actually kind of funny what we did. It wasn't a big deal, but it was just me helping him. I was teaching him how to use his phone with multiple email accounts. I was migrating all of his email accounts so he could use it on his phone. I was installing important applications on his computer so that way he didn't download a virus or something, stuff like that. So
that's all important stuff right there to know how to do.
Yeah.
And so what do you hope in the next couple of years while you're still in high school, what experience do you hope to gain through either your classes or outside of the classroom, maybe in an internship? What do you hope to
Well, ultimately, I really want to get that Google internship I was talking to you about, but I'm not sure if that can happen because it'll be really difficult. But otherwise, I really what's actually probably at the top of my bucket list is releasing a game. That's one of the biggest things I want to do, because I want to become a software engineer. So I work on that off and on, but I don't really have all the experience to make it something great. So that's something I would like to get.
Absolutely. Well, we hope that we're able to help you along the way between the teachers and the administration and things like that here at Joplin High School to make sure that you're ready to apply for MIT. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for some more student interviews here at Joplin High School.